Nice.
Fucking 43.
Yeah.
Right on.
Oh, Wheeler. Oh, bro.
Fucking shit.
Bro, no fucking town.
That's Sonny came here. That is why you came here. That right there is fucking
Sonny, right?
Sonny, man.
You know what? We make all the fish all day.
Beautiful white one, though.
What is this thing bite? The kapipi? What? The kapipi? No, Mampachi. Like a small Mampachi steak.
Is it in there? Yeah. Dude, look at the small hook, dude.
Hey, hold on, Mo.
Small hook. Fuck yeah, bro.
They shining the light, yeah.
Alright, you guys got the gas, yeah?
Oh,
You got the gas? Sonny, you're an animal.
Sonny
Can't
boy.
believe you fucking
Yeah, Sonny boy.
Fuck gas, yeah? What? Got the gas?
Nah, teamwork, bro. Yeah. Teamwork, everybody get dig
Oh,
it, bro.
Yeah, it's up here.
Nice, bro.
One of them fucking leads the show, and Sonny says, move close, bro.
Yeah!
Yeah, bro. Move the shit aside, bro. Can I borrow this?
Fuck!
Right there. Wheeler, is that bigger than yours?
Right there, Puka's on it.
Fucking almost ate my finger right there. This is like a 30-something pounder right here.
Fuck yeah, bro.
It's a virgin too.
The teeth in it? Fucking beautiful white one.
Nice.
Fuck. That's a fucking. I think I seen.
What'd you say, brother D?
Spear one of those before.
Brother?
Oh, here's my
Easy.
spear shop on the other day.
Fucking 35-pounder. Cherry.
Well, that's just from the rocks.
Yeah, man. Here you go, bro.
Yeah! Yeah, we love. Yeah, we love.
Oh my gosh.
Wheeler, you're hitting good lately. Yeah, Wheeler.
Wheeler.
Hey, bro, Wheeler.
God, at least got the Ulua, because that fucked up my whole life.
Come look here. Did you see your pole, dude? Yeah, it fucking had it. Bird nest the fucking thing before I even got to it.
I know, what the fuck?
No.
I had it fucking rock.
You gotta put your thumb on it so it doesn't fuck it up.
Oh, 2 weeks?
At least broke the 40-pound tech test. It's over 40 pounds.
Brain this fucker.
Wheeler's hot with his pole.
Oh, the same pole too. I have to dive all day for catch this much fish. God damn, you catch the fucking bird.
Wheeler, right? Hey, Wheeler.
Yeah! We hooked up! Fucking hooked up!
We fucking hooked up, dude. I told you too, Sonny, right?
Ruby.
Hey, I fucking told all you guys we were gonna hook up. I told all you fuckers we were gonna hook up. I said it was guaranteed action, bro. Guaranteed. Bro, the next pull. It's a beautiful fuck. Next pull is gonna go fucking.
That's a really nice one. This is the best size for you in here.
Yeah,
we love best size. You sure we still can. Fuck this one.
Right over here. Wheeler.
You're big, man.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah. That is a big fish.
Maui, Kiakua, boys. Fucking A, bro. This is fucking for providing all the food for today and tonight. Bro, we're just fucking lucky.
What kind of fish is that?
Hey, Ola, pick that thing up, bro. Get you right here.
Is that
Brother
what
D.
it says?
Show the prize right here.
Holy shit.
Motherfucker is heavy.
Right there, Ola. Okay, yeah. You fucking A.
That is so fucking nice.
Hold up. Come on, one more time.
Hold it up.
Oh, I'm gonna hit burn y'all, man. Oh, you fucking big one.
Oh, it's so
Fucker is heavy.
Yeah.
The smaller one, too.
The small one, nice.
Okay,
Oh, these fuckers love them Mampachi, yeah?
Now, who get the most ice for ice this fish down now, guys?
Sorry, boy, I'm not about
Who get the most ice here?
fucking huge.
I'm gonna call the ice dealer now. I don't know who he is.
Yeah, bro.
We need a fucking round.
Psyched right now.
Fuck, we need a fucking beer.
Right on, boys. Oh, fucking good morning. That was your call, dude.
Right on, but that was amazing, bro. Yeah, get one. Pick that fucker up. I get one with you right here at the light.
I'm claiming 50.
Yeah,
45.
it's over 40. It's over 40 because it fucking snapped the fucking weight line. And the weight line is not more than 40 pounds.
That means it's solid 35.
Not less than 40 pounds.
What's up, Darren?
This is fucking.
Hey, what's up, hey? Brother made. What? Within my face, but we're here. It is now.
Yeah. Dude. Chill.
That's a sham, dude. That is an Ulua.
How much? Fucking Ulua. Yeah.
There's no scale over here, but over 40. Over 40? No. Broke your 40 pound weight line like nothing. And fucking schooled your pull. It's not 40. Yeah. That one's bigger than fucking yours, bro.
Mine is fucking was way down here and it's like way fat.
It's not a 10 pounder, it's not a 20 pounder. What is it in with the 20? It's a 30 pounder.
It's like 38 at the most.
Whatever, bro. Put it in the cooler.
It's like max.
That's still a nice fucking fish.
That's beautiful.
I don't think that'll.
Fucking teamwork.
Hey, Wheeler.
Good job.
Pick that one up right there.
Yeah, we're the whole by still. Yeah, we're. Oh,
Wheeler.
Wheeler, the Catilla.
I think 38, about 38.
Hey, Wheeler, one more time with you. Get the catch right there.
We were on the beach and grab him, bro. No, we fucking everybody in the teamwork was nuts. Hey, full screen. Did they grab the bird or what?
Hey, Mr. Elio Graham, what you got to say right there? Gee! Look at that fucking thing right there. Bang.
Why does it want the smaller than Pachi?
Now we fucking farted, dude.